How to log in Ikano Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, today we are going to guide you through the process of logging into your Ikano Bank online banking account. Ikano Bank offers a convenient and secure platform for managing your finances, and we are here to help you get started. Let's jump right into it. To begin, open your preferred web browser in a device. In the search bar, you can type login Ikano Bank and hit enter. Tap on the official login to your account link from the search results. You will be directed to the official login page of Ikano Bank. Here, you can enter your username and password. If you'd like the browser to remember your username for future logins. You can check the Remember My User box. And after creating your credentials, if you'd like the browser to remember your username for future logins, you can check the Remember My Username box. After entering your credentials, tap on the login button to access your account. On the login page, you'll find other helpful links such as recover account access if you have forgotten your username or password. If you are new to Ikano Bank, then you can register for a new user account by clicking on the registration link as well. There is also a Get Logging In option for further assistance. And there you have it. That's everything that you needed to know about logging into your Ikano Bank online banking account. With just a few simple steps, you'll have access to manage your finances conveniently and securely.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.